These are great men. I'm having here this beautiful morning. These are hardcore Biafrans. They are going to discuss. This lockdown that is starting today. We have on our left, a MASOP member too, and we have on the other side, a loyalist, and supporter of Simon Ekpa, and of course, Biafran agitation. Both of them are in favor of the restoration of Biafra. Today, how do you see the lockdown in the entire southeast?
Well, my name is Mr. Benjamin Chak was it one of Ekpa. For what Simon Ekpa said about locking down in Southeast, about said that to lock the government, Nigeria government. So I don't think for what he's doing that is so important or so will work. Number one, can he lock the government officials down like Imo State? Of the police stations, all of them they're working. But what I know that he have that power to do is once in checkpoint. But to say that let him go to the barrack and stop the people over there, the government, I don't think so.
He's trying to tell you that that is a Biafran land anyway. He has rights to do what he wants to do because they are terrorists. He called Nigerian government terrorists. They are terrorizing and killing the Biafran people.
Okay, now if it's so, he is, let me call it, indigenous peoples of Biafra. It is not real as a Biafra, and Biafra haven't been recognized by the world. And Nigeria is a sovereign nation, which we are inside. As of now, we are not using pounds. We are not using Biafra currency over there. What we are using there is Naira. So how can you say there is a Biafra? It is a country that tries to stand, but not yet. We still there under Nigeria because we are still using their currency. So he himself doesn't have the power to paralyze everything in the country, in Southeast. Have it been that we are now using our currency? That is why I know say yes, we are a full nation, but not yet.
No. Let me join this. The one thing is there that the Samalekwa, direction is a party. I recognize it. You understand? So what I see there is that you try to let them know that the movement of the nationalization of Biafra is not a joke matter. That we can no longer tolerate what Nigeria, the way Nigeria put the Easterners, the Biafrans. You understand? That's what you try to let them know. You understand? That's what you try to let them understand. That we are not joking. That is not joke matter. Let them know that we mean business. That Biafra issue is not a short play. The Biafra issue is not a, they call it or my mind. No, that's the reality. You try to let them know that we are actually serious for what we are talking about. That we are not joking any longer. But Nigeria has, take it, take the Biafrans as a minor, the Igbos entirely as a minor, as far as Nigeria is concerned. So we will try to let them know that enough is enough. That what you are doing now, is beyond Nigeria. That we are no longer to let what Nigeria, the condition Nigeria put the Easterners. We are due to free. So without this, how can we get what we are looking for? So we have to, tell them that the Biafra is real. We have to let them know that Biafra is real. Biafra is not, how do you call it? Baba Sokwe? No, not Baba Sokwe. Baba Sokwe is not about Biafra issue. So if you silent or continue romancing, who cannot get it? We will continue romancing them. We cannot get it right.
Yeah.
Get it right.
I can hear you.
Cannot get it right. We cannot continue romancing Nigeria.
going that way, they are going bomber to bomber. Now, whose people will release the nation to you? Are you the one going to proclaim it by yourself? Are you the one going to announce it? It is the people on the world, the international, who say, okay, what you people are doing is right. You don't know that what you are doing is wrong. Then they say, we look at it, they say, these people are playing.
I don't see it as wrong. I don't see it as wrong.
What you people are doing is play. And then they say, we will not come out to support you. And you need support from
without
them.
this movement, without this movement, they would think that we are joking, that we are playing.
No,
that's not Nigeria.
international.
Because Nigeria taking the Easterners as a coward.
The international union, the European union, they know what is going on. They know what is going on.
As a cow, as a fowl. They can catch at any time and slaughter. That's what Nigeria. That's the agenda of Nigeria.
Yes.
You get my point.
I'm the moderator here. I'm the moderator. I should control this interaction. I'm the moderator. I should control this interaction. I understand clearly. Things need to be in control. Simon Ekpa is struggling to get international attention, to the issue of continuous detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria is not looking at that direction, and if we don't do that, although we don't know how it's going to work out, but already that order has been given. The Masop man here, at this point, Nnamdi Kanu has not been released. Nnamdi Kanu is going to court any moment from now. What do you think that the Biafrans should be doing?
What I found out for Nnamdi Kanu? Now, yes, the way I look at it, Nnamdi Kanu did not committed any offense in Nigeria, but I take it is under Biafra, and Nnamdi Kanu will release. But they will release Nnamdi Kanu under Biafra government. They will hand it over to Biafra government. That's why they haven't gone into his case. And what they put in, it is under detention, not in prison. So they don't want to hand it over to anyone. They want to hand it over to Biafra government. And Nigeria government will not release Nnamdi Kanu as of now. Until Biafra government stands. That is what they will carry Nnamdi Kanu, hand over to Biafra government. Say, this is your child, take over. Do whatever you want to do.
Do you believe that until Biafra government come, that's when Nnamdi Kanu?
Nigeria is a drama set. Nigeria is a drama set. You cannot rely on Nigeria government. You know how they play their game. You know how they manipulate, how they use to manipulate. You understand me? Nigeria cannot continue looking at Nigeria government, whereby they don't, recognize you, they don't value you as a Nigerian. So what do you think? Do you think that you will keep quiet and be looking at the Nigerian government? I don't believe so. That
if we don't
looking at the Nigerian government,
Nnamdi Kanu will stay there forever and ever, and nothing is being done. No plan. Nobody is coming for him.
Without movement,
okay,
without force,
okay. Let me come
Nnamdi Kanu will continue detaining there over there. How can we continue looking at them like that? How can we continue?
We are. As of now, we are on this September going to make us 25 years of the struggle. And in 2018, we got our BIF, Biafra Independent Movement. So, and from that 2018 to now, how many years now? Almost 7 years. So to tell you, Biafra recognition can come out at any moment. It can come out at any moment. So to tell you that Nnamdi Kanu will release under Biafra government. Biafra recognition can be end of this year. It can be next year. But what I know that Nnamdi Kanu will release under Biafra government. Whether you like it or you didn't like it, this is where it is.
Well, finally,
let me come in again. And I have told you that Nigeria does not look at you as a human being, as an Easterners. You understand? From East, Nigeria does not recognize you. You understand? How do you keep quiet? How can you be keeping quiet on them? Because the Northerners always get it right. You cannot harm them anyhow. You cannot harm the Northerners. You cannot harm the Westerners anyhow. The Igbo are just like fish to them. You understand? They are just like fish. They don't value you. They don't value the Easterners. As long as Nigeria is concerned, Nigeria, federal government of Nigeria does not value the Easterners. That's what I always experience in this country. That's why I cannot be happy with this country. Call Nigeria. You understand? So without any movement, without any force, single force, I think you have to show them an example that we are serious, that we are not joking. That's why I remember that it's not this president the biafra of today. The movement of today is not in 1967. That was then. 67 is more, that was then. 67 has passed away. You understand? This is current. The current biafra that we are talking about. Here are the best I want to tell them. What I want to let them know. Yes. They should know what to do now. You know, to release our brother. Because they have free orders. The same cost. The same cost.
The free orders.
Yes, the same cost. The same cost. The same cost within Nigeria.
A biafra is a
so what are you talking?
A biafra is not like a west. It's not like a north. Biafra is a very frustrated nation. Biafra is very just Israel we are talking. Biafra is bigger than them. That's why it's taking time. But to tell the reality, Biafra have already come. Federal government of Nigeria, no. And to tell you, this bad government is bringing dust in Nigeria. And let me just tell you, the Yorubas cannot bring the problem of Nigeria. It is the Northerners who will bring the problem. And the Northerners is now bringing the dust. And the dust is coming out. Let me just tell you, end by government, I like it. And it's still coming back again. And by government is coming back again. And that is what will make the Biafra nation. Biafra nation will be like a dream to you people. It will be like a miracle. So people thought that it is something they will shoot God, nothing like God. But I'm telling you, a nation will be coming. It's coming soon. Prepare your way for the nation. Prepare your way. It is coming soon. It's